Hey everyone, it is Fun Friday today, and we are going to do a great 25 minutes of fitness activity with Coach Meager. He has some great stuff packed in there for you. Lots of exercise, some fun physical activities, as well as some mindfulness. And he is going to finish up with some tossing and catching practice. So you will need your paper ball if you are at school. So if you are at school, when we finish up our introduction here, you can grab a piece of paper from our PE supply tray on the table, and you're going to crumple that paper up. Remember to be careful, stay in your space. If you're at home, you can use a crumpled up piece of paper for your ball, or you can use a sock ball that we've talked about and we've practiced making before. Remember that you are inside, sort of to be safe and appropriate, and make sure that you are keeping yourself under control. Enjoy your Fun Friday activity, have fun, and have a great weekend.